But when you talk about destruction, don't you know that you can count me out? Don't you know it's gonna be alright? Alright. Alright.
For over a quarter of a century now, Holdrite has been providing innovative and efficient plumbing installation solutions for the professional plumber. After literally years of engineering design work and contractor input, Holdrite is proud to announce the launch of a revolutionary line of products for use in testing DWV piping systems. We've called it Testrite. This ideal solution is the safe, fast, dry method, which saves water and makes plumbing companies more profitable. It's made for the use in no-hub cast iron pipe systems, PVC, and ABS. All right, now we've taken a look at the components of the system. Let's do an actual installation. First of all, step one, obviously, is going to be putting the T in. So whether it's PVC, ABS, no-hub, install the T just like you would any typical T. Now, each one comes pre-packaged with the clean-out plug in it. So, in order to perform the test, you'll want to remove the clean-out plug and store it for later use after the test. Let's put in the Testrite wedge. Now, notice it's marked pressure side, and it also is labeled on the front, top pressure side. This O-ring is what makes the seal inside of the T. Now, one thing to take note of is the fact that the operation of this is twofold. There's a waterway in the middle. This handle, the test stem itself here, is rotated clockwise to the right. This is what closes the waterway once it's in place. This valve here allows you the option of fill or drain down at the point of the stem. So let's insert the wedge into the T. The test wedge is now in place. Put it in snug. You can use a strap wrench if you want, but not necessary. Make sure that the stem is turned clockwise until it's snug to seat the waterway inside. Now again, you have an option. When it comes to filling the system now for test, you can either open this ball valve, attach a hose to these 3/4 male hose threads, and fill from the bottom up. Or leave the valve closed and fill conventionally with a hose from above. When your test and inspection is complete, now it's as simple as reversing the test stem counterclockwise to relieve the water pressure down the pipeline. If instead you choose to relieve the test through a hose, then you would open the valve. Let the pressure out that way. Once your test is completely relieved, it's time to remove the test device. So open the spanner ring, remove the test wedge, and store it carefully. Like any tool, if you take care of it, it will last for many, many times. Now, install the clean-out plug. Notice that there was no need to use Teflon tape or pipe dope or a pipe wrench. The O-ring seal on the plug provided all the seal that was needed. Now your clean-out T is in place for permanent use. You'll notice in the front there's also a tapping in the center of the clean-out plug for attachment for a clean-out cover. Simple, easy, fast, safe, and dry. That's the Testrite system. With Testrite, there's no longer the need to use tire pumps or air compressor hoses to inflate a test ball in hopes that it's inflated properly and safely. No need to create a watery mess at the test site, resulting in possible property damage such as mold, and certainly minimizing user inconvenience. There's also no need to leave behind untested joints, as in the case of many other test methods. In addition to these many features and benefits, there's also substantial financial benefits to your company when using Testrite. Here's one example of those savings on a high-rise project and how quickly they add up. In most cases, the use of Testrite will result in 50% or greater labor savings for your DWV testing. Your company can enjoy these benefits on your next plumbing job. Testrite is the safe, fast, dry DWV testing system, and it's now available. Please request it at your local wholesaler, through a Holdrite factory rep, or call Holdrite directly at 1-800-321-0316. Happy testing.